Example 7.4. A 15 microfarad capacitor is connected to 220 volt 50 Hz subs. Find the capacitive reactance and the current, that is RMS as well as peak, in the circuit. If the frequency is doubled, what happens to the capacitive reactance and current? Okay. What are the given values? Capacitance is given 15 micro, that is 15 into 10 to the power minus 6 farad. RMS voltage, right? That is 220 volt. That is VRMS. Frequency, linear frequency, 50 Hertz. This is given. Okay. We'll start now. First part. Capacitive reactance formula X equal to 1 by omega C. Omega value 2 pi F. So Xc becomes 1 by 2 pi Fc. That is 1 by 2 pi. Frequency 50. Capacitance 15 into 10 to the power minus 6. Yes, if you simplify, you are getting nearly 212 ohm. Capacitive reactance is 212 ohm. Okay, now we have to go for IRMS. IRMS equal to VRMS divided by XC. V equal to IXC, VRMS. VRMS is 220 divided by XC, we got 212. So 1.04 ampere. Okay, now what's the next part? If here I naught is also asked, right? IRMS is I naught by root 2. So I naught equal to root 2 IRMS. 1.4 multiplied by root 2, we are getting 1.47 ampere. Now, what we are doing now? Frequency is, if the frequency is doubled, F becomes 2F. What about new reactance? Xc dash equal to 1 by 2 pi. F is replaced by 2F because frequency is doubled into C. 1 by 2 pi Fc equal to Xc. So that becomes Xc by 2. New capacitance becomes half of the old one. Capacitive reactance is 212. 212 divided by 2, that is 106. Now, what about current? Yes. IRMS becomes VRMS divided by XC dash. This is same 220, but XC dash is 106. If you simplify, you're getting 2.08. In other words, IRMS becomes 2 times the original value. Capacitive reactance becomes half and current becomes double when you increase the frequency or when you double the frequency.